welcome to another video. So today I have this Homedics deep kneading Shiatsu foot massager with heat. I bought this off of Amazon. I'll leave a link to it below as usual. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so instruction manual, I'll have a look at it in a minute. So, in the back here is just 4 stands. Not much to look at. This cable is not removable or anything. There's this power button, and you just press it twice, I believe, to turn on the heat. And that's all, nothing much complicated about it. Let's see, instructions for use, plug the cord into 120 volt. You have to use a socked feet, it says. Place massager on the floor in front of your chair. To activate the massage, press the power button. The light will glow blue. Once you hit it again, it'll turn red and the heat will be on, and that's it. And press it again to turn it off. It's a soft mesh material here. You can obviously see the kneading balls here. There's 3 of them. When I press on it, it doesn't like move back or anything like that. So the weight of your feet should be enough to give you the massage. It's a fairly large feet. Seems like this could be a size 11 foot without an issue. I'm a size 9. All right, let me plug it in and see how it feels. Okay, so I have it plugged into the regular wall socket. Let's go ahead and hit the power button, and you can see them rotating, and they're rotating at different angles, so different directions, so that will give you different sort of massages. Again, you should wear a sock with this, according to the instruction manual. It does feel nice. Alright, let's hit the power button and turn it. See, now it's red. That means the heat is on. I think it takes a little bit to heat up, but I can certainly already feel the heat. And of course, you can kind of put your feet at different angles, depending on what part of the foot you want massaged. It's easy to put your foot on there comfortably. I'm just laying back, and I would typically scoot this inside the desk there, and then I can do my work while I'm getting my feet massaged. Yeah, I definitely like this product. I think I'm going to keep it. It's definitely comfortable, nice and warm, so it should be great for the winter time. That's about it. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.